Just picked up my new phone. It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. I opted for the 256 gigabyte version. It's going to be minimal talking in this video. Let's go ahead and open it up. Nothing here. Here's the phone. I like that they went back to the more squared edges on these as opposed to the round edges that they've had on the older models. Pretty hefty though, that's for sure. And then the newer iPhones, I remember reading that they don't sell them with the charge cubes anymore. Not a huge deal. I don't even use the Apple charge cubes to begin with. And, you know, they only put out 1 amp. The ones that I use are the quick charge variety, almost exclusively now. So that's really no big deal for me. Same with this cable. This is the new cable that everybody's going to now. So I don't think I have any chargers that will accept that, but I've got plenty of the older Lightning ones, so no big deal. SIM card removal tool. Then I guess this is all the documentation that you get with the new iPhone now. If you want to read the actual manual, looks like you have to go on the website for that. And of course, 1 Apple sticker. I guess we can take a look at the coloring. I do like this color. Got a nice shine to it. I also got a case for it. These Spigen cases. Bought this on Amazon for pretty cheap. Fits in there pretty nice. If you guys enjoyed this video,